read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series. Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Today's topic is vowels and consonant. Expected learning outcome. The student is expected to identify the consonants and vowels. What are the vowels? The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Very good. All the letters except vowels A, E, I, O, U are called consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are consonants. We call it very well. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.